Water cycle! It was raining one day and Baby Popcorn was amazed as he wanted to know about the wonder of water, that from where does the rain come from? He went to the water droplet and asked that,
"Where do you come from?"
The droplet replied that, "You all know that you get water from rain. But how do you get rain? It is a very simple and interesting process known as water cycle. It begins with the blessing of heat we get from sun. Water from oceans, seas, rivers get heated by the sun's heat, and the heat turns water into vapor. Yes, same like when your mom heats water and steam rises. This vapor is very light, so it goes up in the sky, and the process is called evaporation. This vapor gets collected in the form of clouds we see in the sky. See how I travel to the sky. Now, there in the sky, it is too cold. So vapor in the cloud gets colder and it changes into water. It is called condensation, the cooling process. Now, the vapor was light, but water is not. So when the cloud became heavy and can't hold more water, it started raining to send that water back to the earth's surface. It is called precipitation. And this is how I come back on the earth. This water then gets collected in the rivers, lakes, and streams. From there, it is distributed to us. But at high mountains and in cold areas, water falls as snow too. So, this cycle is known as water cycle.